to use the same machine to bias hip extension. Therefore, we're going to put this band at the top part of it, slipping it through here. Right. So once it's looped over there, we're going now to attach the other end of the band underneath the surface. Right. That would somehow challenge your hips to create more hip extension by using the glutes. So the same thing, still holding on the bar, placing your foot here, and make sure that your knee somehow quite pushing out, but not too much. You don't want too much of a wide stance. And from there, push down. It's going to work more for the glute, then slowly returning up. Pushing down. Now this glute works big time as a mover, as the other glute works as your stabilizer.